Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Offroad's 7-inch LED turn signal for Fishbone's Elite front fenders for Jeep's 2018 to current JL Wrangler and 2020 to current JT Gladiator. Step 1. Install your set of Elite fenders. We show how to do this in another video, link below. Step 2. Begin installing the hardware into the LED. The included nuts have a unique shape and install in the LED's rear rail in a specific way. Each angle of the plate shares the shape of its counter corner, pointed or rounded. This helps the plate stay in place after installing. Insert the plate into the rail as shown, followed by rotating it clockwise, locking it into place. Step 3. Using the included bolts and washers, loosely install the LED's retaining bracket. Be sure to plan out which LED will go on which side of the vehicle. The two flanges on the brackets will need to point up, so ensure the power wire points towards the inside of the engine bay. Open the hood and run the wire around the inner fender and up towards the top. Step 4. Insert the LED into the opening while being sure that the retaining flanges are on the outside of the fender brackets, and secure it with the included hardware. Ensure the light is centered and tighten down the bolts from step 3. Finally, connect the light to the factory wiring harness. And you're done.